If you don't have belief in the akhirah, then you don't have a concept, you don't really understand what it means that Allah is loving and merciful. Everything He put you through here, He's going to pay you back for there. Everything you go through in life, nothing went unrecorded. We've already seen that in this surah, right? If someone doesn't live with that, they don't have that in their life, that view, that conviction, then they're very frustrated in life. Why is this happening to me? How come I didn't get this? How come I didn't get that? What kind of God is this? He allowed this to happen to me, and that to happen to me, and that to happen to me. Why did my marriage have to fail? Why did my parents have to be abusive? Why did I have to lose my family? Why did I have to get cancer? Why did I this? Why I that? And you just constantly question why these things happen to you. What did you do to deserve it? Because one thing is gone from your view. This is just one small part of your life. And as the imagery described, your real life begins when you are planted in the earth. This part is just so you can earn your real life. This life is just so you can earn your real life. This life, Allah called it lahwun wa la'ib. This is just entertainment and games compared to the real life. If you understood that perspective, you'd understand the mercy of Allah. Now when someone doesn't have that, Allah describes they're already in punishment. People that everybody wants to be like, these musicians, these actors, they want to escape reality. They want to stay high on drugs. They want to stay drunk. Because they don't want to face reality, it hurts too much. And you're like, you have the most amazing mansion. You have status, you have power, you have fame, you have beauty. You have things everybody else wants. Why are you so depressed? Why is your life such torture? I don't understand. When the akhirah is gone from a person's consciousness, then the mercy of Allah they don't understand, and they live a life of torture. No matter what they enjoy in this world, they're still in torture. They just want to escape it all. Why do you think the clubs are filled? People want to escape life. They don't want to be around people they know. They'd rather be around people they don't know. You know? They just want to forget that they're human beings. Be away from their families. Subhanallah. وَالضَّلَالِ الْبَعِيدَ, and far, way out misguidance. Here they are talking about how confused Muhammad is, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the fact of it is, they are so lost themselves. You know, the old English translation would be وَالضَّلَالِ الْبَعِيدَ, they are in a far off misguidance. But this is, they are way lost. I mean, they are goners. وَالضَّلَالِ الْبَعِيدَ أَفَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى مَا بَيْنَ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَمَا خَلْفَهُمْ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Didn't they observe ever what's right in front of them and what's behind them? In the sky and the earth? Didn't they look around this life, this planet? إِن نَشَأْ نَخْسِفْ بِهُمُ الْأَرْضِ. Had we wanted, we would have made the earth swallow them. We would have made the earth, خَسَفَ الْقَمَرِ, of the moon to darken and eclipse. Of the moon to sink, literally. It looks like the moon just sunk. خَسَفَ فُلَانًا, to force someone to do something they don't want to do. Like the earth would just open its mouth and just swallow them. And eat on them. And it's as though Allah is describing the earth doesn't even want them. It doesn't want to hold these filthy people. And that's why on Judgment Day, Allah describes that the earth will give out its burden. وَأَخْرَجَتِ الْأَرْضُ أَثْقَالَهَا. It's like it wants to get rid of its load. Because it doesn't want to hold these evildoers inside of it. It's like putting something, bad tasting in your mouth.